Hello, you're welcome to Asusu Igbo the Fair, the platform where we learn how to communicate in Igbo. My name is Chiamaka Azubinge. I'm the CEO of Evolving Gems. We embarked on this journey because we have children, we have teenagers, we have adults who would wish to communicate with their friends and counterparts in Igbo but are unable to, and that makes them feel uncomfortable and less confident. And so we want to boost our confidence level so that we'll be able to speak confidently wherever we are.
Ndewono, kedu kunu mere una apụtakwata? So you're welcome. In today's class, we're talking about pleasantries. Some simple pleasantries we say to one another, either when we come back from work or when someone has done something for you. You know, how do we say it in Igbo? This is what I want to talk about today. Are you okay? This is what we're going to talk about today, alright? Pleasantries. Well done. Somebody's doing something for you, or somebody did a great job, or your child did well in a project, in academics, in any personal achievements, or you gave the person a chore to do and it was done well. Good, congratulations. Well done. How do we say it in Igbo? We say jisike dalu deme. So we say jisike dalu deme. Jisike dalu deme. Any of these you use will be correct, okay? But it's very common to use dalu, alright? Jisike is well done, alright? Dalu is also well done, is also thank you. Deme is also like thank you, well done, okay? So how do you say well done to your mom? Your mom is very busy. She's been working all through the morning. Maybe on a Saturday she's cleaning up. Or your dad just came back from work. He's so tired. Oh, Dalun nam. Well done, my daddy. Dalun nim. Jisiken nim. Okay? So, it's always good to use these words because they show emotions. They show support to one another. And if we stay in the home and we don't use such words, we will not be able to use it outside easily. Okay, so it's good to appreciate your family, your friends, when they've done so well, they've done something, or they're tired, you know, to encourage them. Use these words, jisike, dalu, and deme. Okay, welcome, welcome. No, ebiara, ebiala. Now, I'll tell you when to use this so that you don't use it wrongly, okay? They all mean the same thing, by the way. No is welcome. Ibiara is welcome. Ibiala is still welcome. But when a family member that you've seen in the morning has gone to work and the person just came back and knocked on the door. Oh, Bonnie, you open the door and the person comes in. You don't tell the person, Ebiara. Alright? You don't use Ebiara or Ebiala. You use no. Okay? You use what? No. Okay, but if there's a visitor that hasn't come for a long time, this Ebiara, the direct interpretation is, have you come? Okay. So use Ibiara and Ibiala or Ibiala. You use Ibiara or Ibiala when you're referring to someone that doesn't come all the time, that doesn't live with you, that's actually a visitor. So you use Ibiara or Ibiala for a visitor. Alright? But you use no for both a visitor and a family member. So most of the time, you always hear people say, no, no. But you hear, no, ebiara, or no, ebiala. Okay, they all mean welcome. Please, if it's your family member, somebody you see all the time that went out and came back, please use no. Alright? Take an example. Welcome, brother. No, nwanne m nwoke. No nwanne nwoke. Okay, let's try something. Okay, so let's try some examples, all right? Congratulations, sister. Maybe she has graduated from the university or from secondary school. You say, congratulations, my sister. You say, what do you say? You're going to say, Daalụ nwanne m nwanyị. Daalụ nwanne m nwanyị. Right? Well done, my child. Remember what well done is? Let's go back and check. Well done. Jisike. Jisike, my child, is nwam. So you say Daalụ nwam, or you say Jisike nwam. Okay? Welcome, Dad. No nam. Welcome, my friend. No aim. Welcome back, my child. Enatago nwam, or elotala nwam. Welcome back, mother. No name. Elatala name. Enatago name. So when you hear all this, they all mean a no. Okay? It means welcome, mother. Welcome back, sister. No nwanne m nwanyị. Elotala nwanne m nwanyị. Enatago nwanne m nwanyị. Okay, so sorry in Igbo is ndo. Sorry, my dear friend. Ndo ezigbo enyi m. Alright? Safe journey. Somebody came to visit you and the person is traveling back. What do you tell the person? You tell the person Ijeoma or Lagbo. You tell the person Ijeoma or Lagbo. You're actually wishing the person a safe journey home. Safe journey, Grandpa. Safe journey, Grandpa. Ijeoma, Papa. Or Lagbo, Papa nnukwu. Alright? You can try these exercises. Can you please put the answers in the comment section? I'll be glad to see them. Safe journey, sister. Sorry, dear mom. Sorry, my brother. Safe journey, dad. So I'll wait to see your response in the comment section. Feel free to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this channel so that you get notifications when next another free version of our Igbo class is released. Alright? We would love to hear from you. Until then, remain excited. Daalụ.